How to get universe ID on Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can get universe ID on Roblox. So then to begin with, open up a web browser. You can use a browser of your choice and then on the web address bar.com and log in into your Roblox account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. On this page, go to the create tab located right on top. Tap on the create button. Once again from the top left, go ahead dashboard. Here you can just see that there is your public. Here you can see there is your create experience page. Here you need to scroll down a bit and right on this page you can see the particular ID. Click on the three dot icon next to it and copy the universe ID. Now that you're done copying the universe ID, go to the development item located right on top. After that, you'll be able to see the audio that is uploaded. If not, just go ahead and tap on Open Studio and then upload audio. After that, you'll be able to see your audio, and from there, you need to click on the three dot icon. As soon as you've done that, you need to click on Upload Assets. And after that, you need to paste in the universe ID. So after that, you'll be able to make changes. In this way, you can get universe ID on Roblox. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.